Hi everybody, it's Master Kelly from Dojo Go. For the next 75 seconds, I'm going to tell you how homeschooling parents can help their kids develop prayerful habits and virtuous behavior through a unique combination of martial arts and Catholicism. Unfortunately, most martial arts curriculum has been infiltrated by New Age practices that are in direct contradiction to our Catholic faith. That's why we developed Samurai for Christ, a Catholic martial arts curriculum for homeschool families steeped in the roots of warrior saints. This isn't your ordinary martial art class. We teach balance and coordination while helping kids develop virtue and learn about St. Ignatius' spiritual exercises. We want to empower homeschool families to cultivate a habit of prayer in their children. Many parents are concerned about their kids straying away from their faith as they get older, but research shows that the most common reason people fall away from their faith is a lack of consistent prayer. With Samurai for Christ, we have seen firsthand how effective it is for children to combine their favorite martial arts activity with prayer, transforming them into true prayer warriors. We invite you to join us today at Samurai for Christ and experience this unique method of cultivating faith-based virtues through martial arts. What's even better? This course is free for any family that wants to join. Click the button below to see our program now.